Be familiar with the potential indicators of testicular cancer, as catching it early significantly improves treatment outcomes. Testicular cancer, a prevalent form of cancer in men, requires prompt attention to any abnormalities. If you observe any unusual symptoms, such as a lump or swelling in the testicles, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. Fortunately, testicular cancer is often manageable, especially with early intervention and treatment. What causes testicular cancer? Testicular cancer typically affects males aged 15 to 39, with its exact cause remaining uncertain. It involves abnormal cell growth, leading to tumor formation. Genital disorders or environmental factors may contribute to its development. Signs and symptoms. Don't overlook potential signs of advanced testicular cancer. Stay vigilant and pay attention to any abnormalities. 1. Changed shape of testicles. The size of the testicles may be different and not a big concern, but excess enlarged size can be a sign of testicular cancer. You may also notice bloating around the tissues. Moreover, other factors present for swelling, pain, and irritation, but you must visit the doctor to diagnose the problem. 2. Heaviness around scrotum. Testicular cancer often begins with painless tumor growth, but a heavy feeling in the scrotum can be an early sign. Many men with testicular cancer experience this sensation due to pressure from the lump on surrounding tissues. According to the American Cancer Association, this heaviness should not be ignored, and prompt action is necessary. 3. Swelling. During self-examination, swelling around the scrotum may be felt, indicating tumor development. This swelling can occur independently of any enlargement in testicle size. Additionally, hormonal changes associated with testicular cancer may cause enlargement and changes in the color of the testicles. 4. Unusual breast changes. Testicular cancer symptoms can include unexpected breast changes. You might observe swelling, tenderness, heaviness, or discharge. Experts attribute these changes to elevated levels of estrogen, progesterone, and chorionic gonadotropin hormones. 5. Constant body pain. There are many reasons for body and muscle pain, and while suffering from testicular cancer, constant body pain and discomfort are considered a rapid sign. 6. Pain and swelling in lymph nodes. If you feel pain and swelling in the lymph nodes of the throat and neck, it could also be a common sign of cancer. However, infection is also a cause behind that. 7. Fever and fatigue. When your body constantly fights with this trespasser, it can weaken you and cause a fever. You can have mental and physical fatigue and lack of appetite as well. If you notice fever and fatigue without any other reason, you should make an appointment with a doctor. 8. Sudden weight loss. Sudden weight loss is never good news, especially for those who don't need this. Any cancer makes your body weak by using much body energy to cut body weight, and testicular cancer is not an exception. 9. Abdominal pain. Spreading cancer in the body via lymphatic nodes causes the lower abdomen. If you notice constant pain in the lower belly, it can indicate there is something wrong with your testis. Testicular cancer treatment. After determining testicular cancer depending on the type via ultrasound, biopsy, or blood test, then there would be several treatment methods that your doctor may recommend. Surgery. The surgeon suggests surgery to remove the testes, which is the only way to control them and remove them permanently. Radiation therapy. Radiation therapy has been performed in mostly seminoma type of testicular cancer where they generate radiation beams to eliminate cancerous cells and are mainly recommended after the surgical process. It causes some adverse effects on the body too. Chemotherapy. Chemotherapy has been suggested after the surgical process to kill tumorous cells. It also has side effects on the body and becomes a primary reason for infertility in men. The testis is a significant reproductive organ in the male body, and this is also true that testicular cancer can affect the sexual life, and the treatment ways can affect your wellness. Knowing the symptoms is essential to diagnose the condition. Although it is a rare type of cancer, it doesn't mean you can ignore the uneasiness. We hope this information on signs and symptoms of testicular cancer will be helpful for you, and if you have any suggestions, please feel free to share with us.